Good day, my future employer. My name is Jovelyn Yape. I am 32 years old. I am currently living here in the Philippines. I have a live-in partner with 2 kids. My son is 12 years old and my daughter is 3 years old. I am undergraduate of computer programming course at Datacom Institute of Computer Technology. I have various and different trainings like housekeeping, food and beverage, and domestic worker in situ here in the Philippines. I have worked in Kuwait for 2 years and 7 months. I started in May 2019 and ended December 2021. My employer consists of 3 family members and 1 cat. They have a daughter who is 7 years old and I help in her studies, especially in math and English. And I help their cat feeding and cleaning her litter box. I don't have any allergy in dogs or cats. I don't know how to swim, but I am not afraid of water, especially in pool or in beach. I do all household chores such as cleaning the whole house, doing the laundry, and ironing the clothes. My work and relationship with my employer goes very well. And in return, they treat me as a family member because I have done my duties and responsibilities very well. I don't I don't drink alcoholic drink, I do not smoke, and I do not vape. I hope you will consider me as part of your family journey. See you soon and God bless.